Don't be too quick to throw away and replace wires on a car or a boat or a bike or whatever until you inspect them. This is the original wire on this Porsche 944, and it's 7 groups of I think 15 strands each. So it's far superior to everything that you buy in a parts store or Home Depot or anything like that. The only place comparable to this wire here, even though it's very old, it's relatively intact, is the Anchor wire that is sold at West Marine and whatnot, and that is a very nice wire as well. But this is already here. Now there's a little bit of white stuff on there, but that's just powder from the liner. There's actually the vinyl, and then inside there is a clear plastic liner inside that, and that has like a powder in it. I think it's a moisture control thing. Anyway, this is a beautiful piece of wire, and I'm going to reuse it. It's fine. Same with these wires here. These are the feeds, but if you look inside, I don't know if you can see on video, but again, multiple bundles of multi-strands. It's just really nice. High current capacity, very flexible, and yeah, it's beautiful. Just a tip from someone who does this all the time.